Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a super easy and simple wedding guest makeup look. So I'm starting with this Pilgrim Glow Primer. This primer gives a very subtle glow to your skin and it's really helped the makeup to last longer throughout the wedding. Also, it blurs out the pores and gives a very smooth finish to the skin. Next, I'm using this color corrector palette from Inside Cosmetics. So I have an active acne on my face, so I'm using this green color corrector and I'm applying orange corrector wherever I have dark spot and pigmentation. And then I'm using this shade which is exactly my skin tone and I'm applying this shade wherever I've applied green color corrector and orange corrector. Then quickly I'm gonna blend it with the beauty blender. So after applying the corrector, my skin looks even, so I'm gonna add this foundation only this much. This foundation gives a very medium coverage, which is I think best for wedding functions, and you can clearly see how quickly it blends into the skin. So next I'm gonna fill my eyebrow with this Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette. So most of the time I use the pencil one to fill my eyebrow, but today I'm using this powder one to fill my eyebrows. So next for concealer, I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer in the brightening shade. I'm just gonna apply on the areas where I want to highlight, like under my eyes, around my mouth and in between my forehead. And for blending it, I'm using this brush from Mars Cosmetics. So next for the blush, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Cremita blush. The texture is so creamy and this shade looks so pretty on every skin tone. Now I'm just gonna set my base very lightly with this Inside Cosmetic loose powder. And now for eye makeup, I'm using this Mars Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I'm going on with a very light brown shade as a transition shade so that my eyes look more defined, and then I'm using this shimmer shade which is kind of purple or pinkish, and I'm gonna just take the shimmer shade and press it on the center of my eyelid. And I'm using this highlighter pen to highlight my inner corners. Then for eyeliner, I'm using this OG Lakme liquid eyeliner. I'm just trying to draw a very perfect wing eyeliner. Now adding mascara on my lashes, and this mascara is from Glam 21. It beautifully gives volume to the lashes. Next I'm using this Sugar Cosmetic palette which has contour, highlight and blush. So firstly I'm using the contour shade to contour my nose, and then I'm using this powder blush on my cheeks, and then a highlighter on the tip of my nose, and also a little bit of highlighter on my cheeks. And now for the lip combo, I'm going in with this very affordable lip liner which is from Swiss Beauty. I'm slightly overlining my lips for that fuller lips, and for the lipstick I'm going in with this Sugar Cosmetic lipstick in the shade Nude Pink. This lip combo looks so soft and elegant and it's perfect for that wedding guest makeup. And yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.